Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the bass guy. Letting y'all check out this massive audio 15.4 4 channel amp that I am going to have on my CT2 massive audio tweeters. Alright, this is the amp right here. Good thing about these amps, they are CEA compliant, so that's always a good thing when you're dealing with any car amplifier in general. Anything like that is good. So, y'all see, this is the specs on it. Then you all can pause the video, y'all can look at that specs if you want to see that. But I'll let y'all check this out. One thing I like about this amp is that it's not big and it's pretty compact. And if you didn't know, some of these amplifiers have had dyno runs too, not these, but specifically more of the mono amps that they put out. They've had dyno runs on them, and they've been putting out some good numbers, so that's always a good thing right there as well. This amp is pretty small to be 1500 4 channel. Alright. Yeah, this is pretty small to be a 4 channel amp. It may look big in person, but it's actually small. But yeah, this is it. And like I said, I'll be running all my CT2 tweeters on here. And I have these right here too. I'll probably put these in my center console, replacing these Seleniums. So I'll be probably putting these in the center console. But yeah, it has the screw terminals, which is not bad. And these are the RCA inputs. Has a 24 dB octave on here too as well, which is pretty good if you wasn't using a line driver or any type of other device. But I have my 360.3 on this, so I won't even have to worry about that. But yeah, this is the massive audio. Pretty nice looking amp, pretty slick. Y'all got any questions about this, just hit me up. I'll be running this one, and I'll be running a 1000.2 on my super tweeters. Well, not my super tweeters, but my kick panels. So I'll have a 1000.2 on that, and I have a 1500.4 on all 8 of my CT2s. But just give y'all an overview that things are coming in. I'm steady buying stuff, getting stuff ready for this build to be put together with limitless power. I got any questions? Hit me up.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris.